Okay, so my spaghetti squash has been baking for a little while, and I got all the seeds out of all the pulp. And so I'm going to throw this away, or you can put it in your compost if you have compost. I might do that. It's a good one for compost. I'm going to move my seeds out of the way too. And I'm going to take my spaghetti squash out of the oven. There we go. Now, the reason it is called spaghetti squash is because once it is all cooked, you can see that the strands pull up very much like spaghetti, and they taste just delicious. Let's see. You can get some nice long strands here. Look at them. It's just like spaghetti, and I love spaghetti squash. It's a little hot. It's delicious, just like spaghetti. So this is one of my favorite vegetables, and I'm actually going to have this for supper tonight, and maybe you'll try it too. Bye.